Cause you deserve all things you want, baby. Let's drop top, cool. Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you.
Good job, you're the winner. Hey, hey, Aris.
Go, tingin out bot.
Basta Gwen.
Ayoko nang magsalita.
Sabi ko,
parang dito magandang araw. Susak na nga eh.
normal day sa buhay ko.
First year pa lang to?
Hmm?
First year pa lang.
Oo, first year. Paano kumain ng puyat? Lubi. Anong last mo na masarap na tulog?
May ganun.
Halaga.
Jessie.
Tapos bilahin mo lang yung thread.
Hoy, ang ganda! Hoy!
Oh, isa pa, isa pa. Hello, ito po si Thea, siya yung tagapayong namin today. Isang ang rampa dyan.
Hey!
Hey, hey, hey.
Concealer. So, yan talaga pinunta ko doon. Tapos, nung pagpunta ko doon, natuwa rin ako sa ibang nandun. Primer. Tara! Sponge. Naghanap ako ng brush sa matagal ko na rin need. Tapos ito. Kasi dry yung lips ko. Tapos last, ito yung last. Panglinis. Ayun guys. Ayun lang naman.
Go Jem, go Sam! Pogi!
Kamay! Kamay! This game, talo talaga. Okay lang yan. Bawi tayo next game. Shoutout sa mga nagtiwala, sa mga clothing line ko, sa tubig dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo, sa pamilya ko sa bahay. Abangan niyo ako sa next battle. Thank you. Peace out.
Guys, makinig, makinig, makinig!
Sincere dedication for school year 2019 to 2023. Given this date, whole day of December 2023 at Lufthansa Technique Philippines.
You're the moon that glows in the sky, lighting up the world when it's blue. Stars they dance though late in the night. Don't you know they dance just for you?
Okay, kamusta ang araw? wait lang. Ayan.
Ira! Ba't ito?
Cause you deserve all things you want, baby. Drop top, cool. Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you.